this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do side lying hip abduction. Now, it sounds like a lot. All you need is a mat and your body weight to start the beginner variation of this exercise. Now, what you're going to do firstly is you're going to be laying on your side. So you want your legs completely straight. I want my whole body in line, so I want to make sure that I'm not diagonal or sideways or bringing my upper body too far forwards. Try and look down and try and create that straight line from your heels all the way up to your shoulders. You'll notice I've got my hand on my head. That's to stop any neck strain during the exercise. Now, the hips have a tendency to move forwards and move back during this motion, and you want to keep them completely in line. From here, you're going to take this top leg, so this is my right leg, lock out the knee, so make sure there's no bend in the knee. And from here, what I'm going to do is come directly up and back down. Have a little look at where that foot's going, because it should be coming directly up from the position of my left foot in this example and back down. It shouldn't be coming forwards, where I'm going to start working the hip flexor, and it shouldn't be coming too far back. We're working here the glute medius in this exercise, doing hip abduction. And abduction simply means to bring something away from the body. So in this case, I'm bringing my leg away from the position of my body. I can repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions before, of course, doing the next side. If you find this too easy, what you might want to do is come halfway down and back up, or alternatively, you can put a resistance band on your ankles or just below your knees to create a little bit of resistance when you're bringing your leg away from your body, going into hip abduction. That's how to do side lying body weight hip abduction.